To start playing the game, you can go to the bin folder, and first you have to execute the server, and it'll wait for 2 clients. So you have to open a first client. The first one will wait until another player connects to the game. So if we connect another player, the game will start, and each player starts with different buildings. You have a farm, which gives you food. You have houses, which give you people, and you have wood houses, which give you wood. With these resources, you can buy more buildings to increase the resource income or to defend your territory. For example, we can build a tower which will drop caltrops, and the enemies will lose life when they touch. So when all units are killed or reach the end, uh, another round will start and it will spawn more units. Each player have 10 lives, and when a unit reaches the castle, it will lose 1 life, like right now. As you can see, the game it's real time, and the other menu for the units is where you can uh, buy 1 people and 1 wood. You can buy units. For example, we can buy 2, and they won't spawn until the next round. For example, the next round they will spawn three units. So each unit will consume 2 pieces of food, except for the first one, which is free. You can also uh, build different buildings. For example, we have enough resources to build another wood house, and for example, we can build it here. You can only build on your territory of the map, which is divided by this river. So, for example, now that the units have reached the end, and the player one has both 3 units, they will spawn and they have consumed 4 food. And so the other player now has to build different defense tower along the path to kill those units and don't lose life. So, for example, if we build the wood house, we will get in this place 6 trees, so it will convert them, and in the next round we will gain 5 from this wood house and 6 from this wood house. So we will win more wood than the other player, but he has more units. So, for example, now with this player, we cannot build anything because we don't have people, so we have to build some houses. For example, like this. And now we can buy more units. In this turn, we don't have enough food to support all our units, so when we don't have enough food, the units will stop spawning. So as you can see, we have for 1 unit more, but we have 11. So we want to spawn more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next round, if we have 20 food, we can spawn 11 units. As you can see, the caltrops will be destroyed when a unit touches them. The unit will lose 1 life. Each unit has four hit points, and the caltrops will appear again in 2 turns. Now, when the player 2 lose all of his life, the winner and loser screen will appear. So this is the game. the player 1 has won and the player 2 has lost. And this is the game. The game also have different network error check-ins. So for example, if we execute the game without executing the server first, the game will execute, but we'll get a screen telling us that the connection with the server can be established and it may be closed or something. For example, we also have in-game checking for when a player disconnects or a connection drops. So for example, if we are playing and our opponent, because of some reason, doesn't like the display and he decides to quit, so he quits, so the server will close automatically and the other player will receive a message telling that the other player has disconnected or dropped from the game. The game can run in different computers in the same local network by executing the game in another computer, passing the IP of the another computer where is the server as a parameter. So as you can see, the game is playing in both PCs in real time. And for example, if we build for example a tower here, it will appear in the other screen too, as well as the units that are updating in real time too.